Hi, I'm Sophie. I will be talking to you today about the 1974 super tornado outbreak. It is also known as the worst tornado outbreak of the 20th century. So, what exactly is a tornado outbreak? It's classified differently based on how many tornadoes are within the outbreak. Small is like 6 to 9 tornadoes, medium is 10 to 19, and large is 20 and up. It's also classified by where it occurs. Local is just within one state, regional is within a few states, and national is in multiple states. So this specific outbreak, we classified it actually as super because it had 148 tornadoes, and it was a national outbreak because it occurred all the way from the Great Lakes down south. So the 1974 outbreak occurred from April 3rd to April 4th in 1974. It affected 13 states in total, and it had 148 tornadoes. How it formed, so what happened was a continental polar air mass came down from Canada, and at the same time a maritime tropical air mass came up from the Gulf, and they both met at, right underneath the jet stream, and the jet stream was really intense during this time. And so what happened was the two fronts, there was a cold front and a warm front, as you can see there. When they met, the warm air, it rose up, and this created really good conditions for a bunch of tornadoes, and because the jet stream was so intense, it pushed it all forward, and so that's why so many tornadoes formed. And up here is the categories of all the tornadoes. You can see the scale, the Fujiwara scale. It ranges from F0 to an F5. And as you can see, it had a lot of F5s actually, but mainly in the F2 and F3 and F1s. So the path, the tornadoes, the first two tornadoes touched down in Tennessee and Georgia, but they all like periodically happen like within 15 hours of each other, all over this area. And one cool fact about this is in Ohio, 3 storms actually merged into one and created a huge tornado, and it was the worst tornado in the entire outbreak. So some of the damages you can see through these photos, they were pretty bad. It had 335 deaths and over 6,000 injuries, $600 million in damages, and because, it was the Fujita scale. The Fujita scientist was actually mapping this entire tornado outbreak, and it actually caused the National Weather Services to adopt the Fujita scale after. So I'm Sophie. Thanks for watching.